When you see content creators come here to tell you that do not do this, do not do that, do not do this, it simply means they have actually passed through a particular experience. And one thing I promise all my content creators here on YouTube is every single thing that will first of all put money in your pocket, I'll bring it down to you. And every single thing that will actually put your channel or your account into issue, I will also let you know. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys why my husband cannot monetize his Facebook account because of the mistake he did. And why I'm sharing this is because so that a lot of you guys out there that actually want to make money on Facebook will be very, very careful. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time you're tuning in, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Now, before I proceed to tell you why my husband can never monetize his Facebook accounts or his Facebook page, I'm going to go ahead to share with you some of the things that you should never do on Facebook. And one of the things that you should never do on Facebook is never you upload content that is not your content. So any content you're bringing on Facebook, all you need to do is your originality. See, no matter how interesting that content actually captivates your mind, do not upload it, because the owners of those contents, we flagged it on Facebook when it is time for you to earn from it. It has really happened to one of my page, and even till date, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm not able to remove that restriction yet. I might be putting a small screenshot here so that you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. So putting your original content on Facebook is very, very important. Do not joke with that. Now, the second thing you should never do on Facebook is to go ahead and start using stories to put out what I call blue film, like blue movie, or things I call porn. You understand? Because one of the things I've seen recently is if you go to people's story on Facebook, you find out that they used to put all of these ladies shaking their bum bum or opening chest or opening their body and so on and so forth. You might think that you're making money from it because yes, they are really cashing out from it this time around, because Facebook just newly launched that your stories are going to be making more money. And with the little research I make, stories make more money than even the reels on your page, because a lot of people will go ahead to like click the stories to view your stories. Facebook will show them out to like new viewers, and you're going to be getting followers. You're also going to be getting views. You're also going to be cashing out. But do not be tempted because of that, so that you can start uploading what you are not supposed to upload on your stories. Because I strongly believe that very soon Facebook will come out with the strategies and they will terminate a lot of pages. Even one of the big content creator, I'm not going to call him the biggest, one of the big content creator, MC Bakara, actually warned content creators on this, that you have to be very careful when it comes to what you put on your story. So go ahead to put stories that you know that it is eligible and standard on even YouTube and even on Facebook end. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, the third thing that you should never do on your Facebook is commenting ill words on people's posts, commenting insultive words on people's posts. Probably you have two celebrities fighting, and then you have a particular favorite celebrity that you're actually supporting, and that celebrity is on Facebook, and then you go to people's pages with that's your original account that you want to make money, and then start dropping comments that you are not supposed to drop, insultive comments and so on and so forth. Facebook flag about that thing a lot. You might think that you're doing yourself something good, but at the end of the day, whether knowingly or unknowingly on Facebook, Facebook is actually going to take action as the due process. So if you must comment on your favorite celebrity post and so on and so forth, I will advise you to create a separate account that you will use to comment those your insultive and ill-words comments that you want to. But if I check, you don't even need to do that. Like, why will you even go to people's page and comment nonsense? If you do not want to watch anybody's video, you can gingerly just walk out on those contents without even saying a word. But anyways, commenters are commenters, and who are we to judge? Now, the fourth thing you should never do on Facebook is, if your profile is monetized, do not put a monetized page under a monetized profile. Or if you're willing to earn money from your profile, do not put, I repeat, do not put a page that you also want to monetize under that profile. A lot of people that will not understand, let me explain. Now, your profile can end when you turn it to professional mode, right? Now you have a page as well that you want to end from, and page must be under profile. So the good thing you will do for yourself is remove that particular page and create a separate profile for that particular page you want to monetize. Now, why am I saying this? A lot of people will say, no, my profile has a lot of engagement more than the page, so I want to do the two at the same time. Yes, you can monetize both the profile and the page, but putting the both of them together, it is a no-no. Just let me give another example again so that you guys can get it really, really clear. My profile is Faith Nelson Sandavas, of which for most of you that is following me on Facebook, you must have seen my profile. While my page is Vibe with Sonia. Now, because I know that I want to actually monetize my page, I have to create it under my profile, which is the Faith Nelson Sandavas. Now, what did I do? I close the professional mode on the Faith Nelson Sandavas, despite the engagement I am getting there. And the only thing that I'm focused on is my Vibe with Sonia page. Now, if in future I want to now monetize my profile, what I will do is to create another page and move create another profile and move the page to the profile, and then turn on the monetization bell, which is the professional mode, on my normal Faith, which is on my normal profile. You get what I'm trying to say? So if that is what you want to achieve by monetizing both profile and pages, create another page, move your page to that particular page, and just let your profile that you want to monetize be. Reason being that Facebook is rolling out little strategies that if your page and your profile is earning at the same time, your content is not going to be pushed as it's supposed to, because at the end of the day, they will think I'm saying I agreed, so make I just speak pidgin. You understand? Anyways, for those ones that will say it is nothing, I will leave it. Fine, go ahead and leave it. Now, let's go back to the story why my husband accounts cannot be monetized on YouTube. So when my husband came back, I noticed that he has a lot of engagement on his accounts. He has never had the intention of monetizing it. So when I was seeing the engagement, I just told him it is time for us to monetize it so that you can start earning from this. And he accepted. So when he came back, I took the phone because I am the content guru, right? So I took the phone and I wanted to check so that I can be able to turn on the monetization, and then let's see if he has met up most of the criteria. So when I checked, I noticed that he has met up most of the criteria that Facebook wants. If you know my husband on Facebook, you will know that my husband account is like really, really active, and my husband do have engagement, he do have comments. Sometimes one of his posts can generate like his Facebook people are just active. That's one thing that I know. So now, when I now went back to monetization just to check the account, I found out that my husband actually have a violation. So I'll check from his phone and then maybe attach some screenshots for you guys so that you guys can see, so that you guys can also learn from this. Now, my husband has a violation, and it will surprise you that the violation that my husband actually had came 3 years ago, the moment I turned the professional mode on. So this violation was not there because my husband never had it was not showing because my husband never had the intention to monetize it, so he did not turn on his professional mode. But the moment I turned on, bam, bam, we received a notification that this particular page has issued. And when we traced back where the violation is actually coming from, the violation is coming from 3 years ago. You understand? Now, what really happened? It was just a normal post that my husband's friend actually posted, and then my husband dropped a particular comment. I might just be attaching it here for you guys so that you guys can see. And in that comment, he said, if you, baby, what did you say again in that comment specifically? Yeah. He said, if you joke with this two person, I will buy you. Ha ha ha. Like he just dropped a laughing emoji in the person's comment section. Boom. Facebook cut out that particular comment, strike the account and keep it there until he's ready to monetize it. And the moment I turn on the professional mode, it becomes no. We cannot monetize the account. Now, do not get me wrong. I'm not saying that Facebook will not take out the violation, but imagine violation of 3 years ago or 3 years plus ago, and the violation is now active as at this point that the account is on the edge of earning. Now, for those ones that we ask, can't this violation be sorted out? Yes, this violation can actually be sorted out because I've started working on it and I've started sending Facebook a lot of reports and messages and so on and so forth like that. But we do not know when Facebook will remove it. That's the problem. It might take them 2 years, it might take them 1 year, it might take them even forever, like who knows, because they have a lot of issues already piling up at hand. So you don't even know the number that your own is actually falling into. You understand? And that is why I'm actually doing this particular video, so that if you want to earn on your Facebook as a content creator, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be careful of what you type in the comment section. You have to be careful of every single thing I have mentioned from the beginning of this video to the end. And if you know that you want to monetize your page and you have not turned it on professional mode to check if you have violation, I will advise you to actually turn it on to check if you actually have violation, so that at the end of the day, you really understand if you're to start creating or building new accounts. For someone like my husband, I've told him create and build new account, but like since it is like Facebook, this thing, like monetization is not his thing, his own is just to promote his business. Like he will tell me that, do you think it's easy to create a new account? And that's the truth. It is not easy to create a new account. So if you're watching this video, you are lucky. Make your account safe. Like do everything in your power to ensure that your account is safe. Do not joke with it. Do not tamper with it. Do not comment where you know that you cannot take. If you cannot just put a laughing emoji or, oh, I love this content, or good words, please don't. Do not upload stories because you just want to get views, because you just want to get money, because you just want to get this. At the end of the day, if this particular thing happened to you, what is supposed to take you just few days to enjoy is going to take you months, weeks, years. So if you're serious, please take all of these things. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If there's, don't forget to subscribe, like this, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you have the same issue and you do not even know what to do on Facebook, drop a comment in the comment section. Let's know how we can actually communicate and help each other. Now, if you want our one-on-one coaching on YouTube, you don't even know how to do, you don't even know how to navigate YouTube, where to do it, all you need to do is to do what? Check out this mail and check out this flyer that is on the screen. Send us a mail at 3195@gmail.com so that we can actually help you. This is where I personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what you can minus, what you can add, so that at the end of the day, we can both achieve success. Now, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah. Learn.